Hi, my name is Ashley Humphrey. I work at Okotoks Physical Therapy. In this video, I want to talk to you about muscle tension in the upper shoulders. A lot of people are prone to carrying some muscle tension in their upper shoulders, in these areas in particular. And sometimes you can press into that area and feel a tender spot, or it feels like you can run your fingers over a tight, ropey band of tissue. So I'm going to give you some tips on how to release some of that tension. Okay? First thing I want you to do is get some heat over the area. It's going to increase the circulation, increase the blood flow to those muscles. So just drape a hot pack over that area for about 10 minutes. Second thing you're going to do is you're going to massage into that area. It can be a little tricky sometimes getting to some of those spots, especially if a little lower down by the shoulder blade, they're kind of hard to reach. So two things that you can do at home. One, you can grab a tennis ball, place it behind you on a wall. If you put it in a long tube sock, then it's quite easy to move that tennis ball to where you want it to be. I want you to lean some pressure into where that muscle knot is. Hold pressure 5 to 10 seconds and release. That'll get a good influx of circulation into that tight muscle and help it to release some of its tension. If that feels tricky to get to that area with a tennis ball, then another great tool is a shepherd's hook. You can place that hook, that ball on that hook where you want, and push a little bit of tension into that area. Okay? So the heat and the massage will help to release some of that tension. Then you need to follow that up with some movement. Now you can also hold a little pressure on that muscle as you gently move. Ear to shoulder and chin towards collarbone. We'll get some nice movement through that muscle tissue. And then as your day goes on, what you need to be aware of is your posture. Every time you get into that chin forward position, it's going to create strain on those muscles, make them work harder, and make them knot up. We all do that as we spend time on the computer and time on our phones. We tend to drift forward with our chin. Okay? But that's going to create what my husband calls is a ball of hate in your shoulder that then you have to work out. Okay? So throughout the day, check your posture. Do a chin tuck and try to keep that earlobe in line with that shoulder so that there's not increased strain going through that muscle. So to recap, I want you to heat, massage, move and stretch the area, and then watch your posture. Good luck with your balls of hate.